It's June and I can't believe it. We've now been married 29 years.
I can't believe it. You know, I've been reflecting on those 29 years.
Yes, and the anthem of our marriage is our differences.
It's true.
It is.
For instance, you're extremely numbers savvy, nerdy, if you will, and practical.
Yes, I know.
I like that about you.
But you are very, I would say, artsy.
Yes.
There's always classical music going through our household, and you just love to rearrange the furniture all the time.
I do.
And I love that too.
Yeah. Well, so let's talk about these machines and how they are very similar to us.
Yes. This is the practical machine. This is the Babylock Anthem. And the Babylock Anthem has a 10.1 inch touchscreen.
Well, so does the Reflection.
Oh, okay. Well, my machine, the Babylock Anthem, has a never miss needle threader. So it always threads perfectly every time.
Well, so does the Reflection. I thought you were going to tell me something new.
Okay. My Anthem has 11.25 inches between the throat and the needle.
Well, ta-da!
Oh. But
What?
my Anthem is a top sewing machine. It's a top-of-the-line sewing machine. It only does sewing.
Oh, you got me there.
Right.
Okay.
Well, okay. And some great features with it. First of all, when I sew, it has a laser beam. The laser comes down and allows me to guide my fabric so that I have it perfect every time, and I can move the laser wherever I want to. Also, this one comes with StitchSync. It is a stitch regulator, so I can do perfect free motion quilting if I want to. And of course, to do that also, it comes with a wonderful extension table. It also has a compact digital fit system. This compact digital feeding system allows me to feed multiple layers evenly so that top and bottom layers are being fed at the same rate. Nice. And last but not least, it has 804 built-in stitches, comparable to any top-of-the-line sewing machine.
So the Babylock Reflection is an embroidery-only machine.
Oh, I get it.
Yes, well, and it has this large 9.5 by 14 inch hoop. It has a matrix copy feature, which allows me to take one design and make several copies of it on a screen to sew out multiple designs at one time.
Wow.
It has 30 decorative fills, as well as allowing me to do stippling in the hoop.
Oh, that's great for quilters.
It's perfect. And in 140 frame designs and 32 fonts, along with many built-in embroidery designs.
Wow, that machine does a lot for an embroidery machine.
Yes, it does. And it's very different than your machine.
Yeah.
But similar.
And they look the same.
Yep, they do.
But they're very different.
No, I kind of like the fact that they have some of the similarities that they have, because then you can be embroidering on one.
And sewing on the other.
So because they both have a 10-inch screen, it makes it so that you can just go from one to the other. You don't have to shift gears.
That's great. And if you were to buy a machine that did everything both these machines did,
yes,
you'd be looking at about a $20,000 machine. In fact,
no way.
If you were to buy both these machines individually,
yes,
they'd come to over $18,000. Did you know that?
Really? No, I didn't know that.
But right now, in the month of June, for our anniversary special, you could buy them both together for a low price of $99.99.
Wow.
That way you can be embroidering and sewing at the same time.
Oh, that's great.
Now this offer is good through June 30th, so you have to come in before them, because after that, the sale goes away.
Okay.
So come on in to Montavilla Sewing Centers or look us up at montavillasewing.com.